How to autocorrect message in Google Chat, also how to smart compose in Google Chat. Actually, for smart compose or autocorrect, we need to enable this feature. Smart compose means like it's enable predictive writing, like when you are writing it will suggest you. Let's say how those we can enable. Open Google Chat and there is an option is setting, and there is option is message. You can see smart compose show proactive writing suggestion, right? You can enable it. It will be help you for writing quickly. And autocorrect, enable autocorrect when composing a message. It will correct you, like if you make any mistake, then it will give you suggestion. Thank you for watching.